It is time for the hidden gem alert, and today we're going to highlight Harmony One. Harmony One is a hidden gem. It has not really been talked about a lot, but it's definitely one of those assets to look into. No, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do research on certain assets to take a look at. So do your own research, absolutely. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. So let's go ahead and dive into this content right now. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know what time it is. Now, Harmony One is down at the moment right now, but it has ton of potential. Now, I'm on Coin Market Cap, just looking at the chart and looking at the market cap as well, and the price. Looking at the price right now, and I looked up here, it got up to 19 cents at one particular time, and it's dropped back down to about 11 cents. Do the math. It's got ton of potential, and you're probably wondering, what is Harmony One, and then how do I purchase this if it's something I want to do? Now, Harmony One is a blockchain platform designated to facilitate the creation and the use of decentralized application called dApps. Now, the reason why I like Harmony One, because I really believe they're going to be solving a lot of problems in the future, and you can do more research about that as well, but to click on to read more. Now, where you can purchase is that you can purchase it right on Binance. So I'm on Binance right now. You can click on the link below, you get access to Binance US, and you can purchase Harmony One by clicking there, go there, and then putting in your price of how many what you want to do. So Harmony One, you can do that. You can also do crypto.com. I also have a link for there at the bottom in the description box. Crypto.com, you can do that. Use the referral information to be able to receive $25 as well when you purchase your cryptocurrency. So I advise you to go to crypto.com because you can get $25. Just go ahead and use that referral information. So Binance US and crypto.com are two areas that you can look at. Now, you also can do other exchanges as well. There's other ones here. Let me look at here. There's other ones here, like Kucoin is really good. I'll have a link in the bottom there as well if you want to do Kucoin. And there's other ones as well. So I'm a big fan of Harmony One. I've been doing some research with this for a while. I do own this, but I'm not advising you to buy this. I want you to look into it as well. Look at their website, harmony1.com, harmony.one, I should say. And look at this, scaling Ethereum applications and cross-chain finance. And there's some information about it as well. Go to their website, do the research, look at some of the things that they're doing, some of the protocol features, some of the platform strengths as well. And I looked into all this. I did this about maybe not that long ago. And I looked at it and I was like, it's time to do a video over this. Harmony One is really good. They got a great foundation team, a good founding team, I should say, and a fantastic ecosystem and partnerships. So they have this as well. They own Chainlink, which is really good. Sushi Swap, Binance, we're just on there as well. Ledger, MetaMask, and more partnerships and more part of the ecosystem. So go to Binance if you're interested in Binance. I'm not a financial advisor, but it's something if you want to do. Binance.us, you can get that on there. Just go ahead and create an account and go ahead and do that. Or crypto.com. I love crypto.com because it's really easy to purchase things right on a mobile device. Just download the app on your mobile phone and you should be good to go. But yeah, Harmony One, take a look at it. That is my hidden gem for today, or actually maybe for the week or for the month. I would say for the week is my hidden gem that is not talked about a lot. It's not a lot. I've been seeing some people doing some videos over it. I've seen some people done some articles over it. But when I look at some of the things that this thing's going to do, what Harmony One's going to do with some of these partnerships and some of these part of the ecosystem, oh my goodness. Part of the NFT platform as well, the interoperable protocol. I mean, oh my goodness, all this stuff on here. And they have a Twitter too, so you want to check out their Twitter, Harmony One. Check their Twitter site as well, and it's really, really good. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, let's go ahead and do Twitter. So I'm going to check out Twitter and the Harmony One. I'm going to show you that as well. Harmony One and Harmony One. Some stats here. So that's Harmony Stat. Oh, that's Harmony Stats. Harmony, where did I have that at? Oh, you know what? I just do Look here. Harmony One. Let's see. Let's look here. Let me just type in Harmony One. So dollar sign. Dollar sign. Dollar sign. But Harmony One, check them out as well. Look at their Twitter too. I'm trying to find where I found the Harmony at. Where I actually find their Twitter page. So Harmony One, check out their Twitter here. This is a video that someone did it about. I remember watching this most undervalued coin. Check out Cheeky Crypto. You know, shout outs to them. Actually, I did not know they did a video over this, but that's pretty cool. The most undervalued coin. So here's why. You can watch that video as well, but it really is good, guys. I'm telling you, it is undervalued. I didn't even see this, but it is very undervalued because of the use cases and some of the information it's going to be doing. But check out their website, and if you're interested in getting this, check out the Binance.us. Purchase your actually asset. It is very undervalued, and it's going to be doing a lot of great things because they're part of the ecosystem and partnerships. Just like that alone. I mean, just like that alone is the partnerships really get my attention. And look at the protocol features. Look exactly what they're going to be doing. 2 seconds. You know, even more advanced than Ethereum, 1, 2, Cosmo, and Polkadot. Look how fast that is. Validators, look at that. Look, you take a look at some of the other things, the annual issuance. I mean, my goodness. And look at this, other stuff here. So enough about Harmony One. This video is about the hidden gem. Check out Harmony One. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm saying if you're interested in buying, do your research, and you can get it on Binance.us or even crypto.com or other ones as well. My name is Adam Shelton, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account. Different ways of growing that bank account. Different ways of growing that bank account and growing your brand. Different ways of growing your brand. And this is what this channel is all about. I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait to see you again. I can't wait to see you again. You know what time it is. I'll see you next time.